Babalik tayo dito sa ABS-CBN Sports in Action at kami kinakausap at kinukonsulta ng ating commissioner na si Noreen Go during the set breaks just to keep us posted on some of the things going on, standings, rules. I love it. She's on top of the tournament, and this is why also the tournament is what it is right now. And good job to the commissioner's office. Ano, lahat doon. Hindi lang si
Noreen.
Lahat sila. Maraming salamat. In the meantime, ang kanyang dating eskwela, yun yung segue ko doon. Ay namamayani dito.
That is your partner. But the better showing for the Lady Bulldogs in this set. Although, yun na nga, medyo lumamang na ng ang UP ng malaki-laki. Towards pa lang siguro after the mid-portion pa lang lumamang na UP. But, again, you just try to look for the bright spots when you're Coach Roger. And you see here 15 attack points for UP and only 11 for NU. And pagdating sa service aces, lumamang ang UP. Pero tignan mo ang Bulldogs, they were able to limit their errors to only 6 at na-push nila ang UP to commit 9
Kanina,
errors.
7 yan.
Tama.
Ngayon,
So,
9.
yun ang kailangan nilang gawin. They have to push UP to commit those errors.
Mosey, do you also think that the errors are high for AUB because they're also a risk-taking kind of a team? Is that possible also?
Yes, pwede rin yun. Like kanina we mentioned that dun sa serve ni Carlos, diba? Na, ngayon kasi, she's trying to put her level to parang higher notch. Parang now she's trying to look for spots na. Kung baga kumpiyansa na siya sa height ng bola niya, kumpiyansa na siya sa power, dun sa spin. So ngayon, namimili naman siya, which is really good for Coach Jerry.
And because you do that, you are prone to errors every now and then.
Right.
Buitre, she has had a good game today.
And si Buitre is like the silent operator for UP. Ang taas ng porsyento, pag binigyan mo, halos most of the time, puntos kagad for UP. Pero yun na nga, paminsan-minsan lang na pupuntahan.
I think she's also trying to personally come back from a so-so game against UST. She had a few errors in that game.
Correct.
Alam mo naman ikaw, Mosey, alam mo, player ka. So, pagka umuwi ka, napanood mo man yung laro mo, or kahit hindi mo nga panoorin, alam mo yung gusto mong gawin sa susunod na laro. Parang meron kang mga gustong i-correct, ano?
And yun ang maganda because it means she has the right attitude,
right.
Diba?
Correct. And we are tied at 1 here.
There you go.
Despite a runny nose. Arian Buitre. All right. 2 serving 1. Let's check in with Ira Pablo from National League.
Woman Mosey, I asked Coach Roger about the recent performance of the Lady Bulldogs, and at the start of the season, he said that confidence was the problem of the Lady Bulldogs, but at this point, character is what he identifies. The girls are easily let down by their mistakes and errors inside the court, but he reminded the Lady Bulldogs, hindi bumababa yung pagkatao nyo pag nagkakamali kayo. May susunod na set pa. Makakabawi tayo kung gusto nyong bumawi. Assistant Coach Edget Mabayan also challenged their decision-making inside the court to trust their instincts and to play with conviction. Woman Mosey.
Maraming salamat, Myra Pablo, on your screens has not come back into this match. And and then going back to Ira's report, the important part is this first part of this third set.
Tama. And it's a very important set for them if they still have yung hope of winning this match.
You have to hang in there,
right.
If not lead UP, so that yung confidence nila umakyat. Pero ito, napakataas. Not only ng kanyang confidence, pero pati porsyento si Nicole Tiamson.
Tama ka dyan, and she has been going cross-court all game long. Parang tama nga naman, dun siya nakaka-score. Bakit niya titigilan? And she's been scoring a lot.
The thing about UP, you can describe them right now with the phrase, the wealth is being spread here.
True. And then now, that was dug up well by Valdez.
Valdez, hinabol ni Geyser, hindi niya nahabol.
Yung katulad ngayon, si Valdez was able to read that cross-court of Nicole Tiamson. Pero kanina pa niya ginagawa yun eh. It's really more of yung kano ba kabilis yung adjustment inside the court. Ganaba now sent in for Bersola by Coach Jerry Yee. may mga games na
Yes,
he started ganaban.
you're right. Sullivan. Singh. Yan yung sinasabi natin. No? Malapit man o malayo.
Ataw na.
Talaga eh.
That's right.
Let's look at that play from the top. Thank you for that angle. Direct Abin Ramos is at the helm of this live and exclusive ABS-CBN sports coverage of UAP Season 78. This is match number 27 with UP ahead 2 sets to love. Let's check in with Nina from the UP side.
In the early stages of the first round, the Lady Bruins had plenty of service errors. However, with the help of Coach Jerry, the girls were able to adjust this predicament. Ngayon, over the timeouts, Coach Jerry is now giving the girls more advanced pieces of advice with how to go about their serving, expecting them to be more alert and focused. Bago nagsimula ang third set, pinaalala na naman ni Coach Jerry sa girls na dapat ma-maintain ang lakas ng loob nila at huwag maging matakot pag lumalaban ang Lady Bulldogs. Ruben Cozy?
You don't have to look far in their games where they were ahead.
Right.
And then, you know, still lost. So, Coach Jerry is making sure, kahit nga yung UST match na
Yun,
yun.
I was gonna say that. Yung UST match na yun, he actually warned the girls coming into the third set. Diba? Not to be complacent.
Narinig
Pero
ko yun.
natalo ko. Yun na nga, kasi yun yung fear niya eh. Kasi nakikita nga natin, natural tendency talaga ng mga teams yan after winning the first 2 sets. So, ayaw sanang mangyari ni Coach Jerry, but it still happened. So, kaya ngayon, sigurado yan na naman yung warning niya.
Oo nga, napanood ko yun. Nung sinasabi niyo yun eh. Mula sa bohol. Na mga boholaan. Yung talagang madam na lamang volleyball talaga mo.
Ako, kahit saan yata.
Binabati talaga na sa atin. Nanonood sila dyan sa bohol. Maraming salamat. Kahit saan kaya talaga magpunta, kahit na anong probinsya. Uy, kumusta niyo ako kay ganito? Yung idol ko po si ganito. Ganyan lagi sinasabi.
Ngayon nga, ang dami na eh, no? Yung, ang dami na talagang pwedeng maging idol.
Oo, tsaka kung saan galing.
See this play once again. UP just almost scratching that ball to get it in at naging puntos pa para sa kanila.
The push. So, Coach Roger has stuck with his lineup.
Right.
Sitting down Pablo, sitting down Santiago. And now, they have the lead. This is the best start they've had so far. As you look at the triumvirate there, also with Pia General in the middle, who has been in and out of this match. With Valdez alternating. As Buitre again scores. And we are all at 7-all. How about 9 points for Buitre? Grabing distribution dito.
At saka lahat nagre-respond eh. For Coach Jerry, yun ang maganda talaga doon.
The off-season club experience and you can call success for UP, I'm sure has a lot to do with
Yes.
it also.
Because yung success nga comes in different forms naman talaga.
In the meantime, masikip ang ating third set, 8-7 lamang ang UP. Mapapanood natin yung mga yan. Pagkatapos itong laban na to, they'll read some of your messages through Twitter. Richard, Natasha, and Annie up front at the UAP right after game number 1. Right before DLSU versus UST.
Sila kaya, sino mga idol sila? Dahil medyo matagal, naka-first round na tayo dito sa UAP Volleyball. Ano? Dapat next time sila
Sila rin
tanungin
tatanungin
natin.
We will reverse roles.
Well, for sure, di ba? Sa dami ng games na napanood nila. They would have their own.
Nagugustuhan nila. Oy, meron tayong rotation error ba dito?
Ayan. Coach
Roger right now who is livid at the technical table.
Tinatanong kayo dyan eh. Bago nag-service, tinanong kayo. 11 dapat, 11.
We're gonna talk to the captains here.
Yung scorer namin nagkamali dahil iba ang ano. So it's a replay kasi officiating nagkamali. So sir, no point, okay?
Alright. First referee taking control. Ang point ni Roger kanina,
nagtanong
bago pa,
kasi. bago pa man na pumunta sa service line si Sullivan.
And you know that he already has a little bit of fire under his belly right now because of what's been happening. So, konting ano talaga. But, first referee controls it.
Yep.
Says, no point. Just replay. Sent back, but it's outside.
Off the block point this time for Nicole Tiamzon.
11 points na rin si Nicole Tiamzon. Buitre with 9. Urdas with the approach. It's a little short, that's why. I think Sullivan bang may error doon? Ano bang problema doon?
Mababa talaga yung set and may distance from the net. So si Urdas naman on the other hand, pag ganun na, di ba usually you go for off speed. Pero
Pinilit.
sinubukan pa rin niya eh. Sinubukan pa rin niya to go for that usual attack.
So, abante dito ang UP. Open. Nabor. Buitre sends it to the other side. Free ball. Tiamzon again through the block, but it's still alive. Great effort by Aji Sullivan. And the Camarines Norte native who just checked in the third set is able to get it through.
Right, totally destroying timing. The timing of the blockers on the other side.
Tama ka doon.
Naging slow to hit that ball.
Napaganda kumbaga.
Oo, tama. Napaganda pa.
Valdez. Urdas. We know what this girl is capable of doing. Again, we have two players here. We have Bersola and Urdas coming off, injuries that really sidelined them for a very long time. Knee injuries. Gotta get some confidence here for Aiko Urdas. They're only down by 1. And this is early in the set. Now we're tied. So NU in a much better position here in set number 3.
Coach Roger, you can see him standing up and instructing the players. Alam mo kasing bago yung mga nasa
Oo nga
loob.
pala, no?
So, expect instructional volleyball from Coach Roger in this set.
Oo nga. No General, no Santiago, and no Pablo, and no entry, sabi ni Ganaban.
Beware of dogs daw. Hindi, pero kabila pala yun.
Ano naman eh. Yeah, that's going to give you confidence. If imagine, pumasok ka lang nakadalawang puntos ka kagad, you're contributing to your team. So the coaches gamble on you. You in return, sinusuklian mo, no?
Yun naman, kasi, again, it will boil down to attitude. Diba? Binunod ka, kahit na ikaw yung huling binunod dyan, but once you get in, ikaw naman yung responsibility mo of doing your job well.
Of course, we're talking about Ai Ganaban, a first-year player. For the UP Lady Maroons, first-year middle hitter to be exact. As an error from Nicole Tiamzon gives National U the lead once again. Ito ang pinakababad sa kanila.
Oo, that was,
Jasmine Nabor.
but she deserves it, even in today's game.
Yes. We talked about her at the top of the coverage, and she's been delivering. How about Ganaban off the bench?
How about delivery? Ganaban again scoring one. What a luxury for Coach Jerry Lee.
Lumalim ng lumalim itong bench niya.
Yan talaga yung nangyari. Because yun, ginamit yung mga rookies. Ang nangyari, lumalim yung bench.
And that is something we have not said about University of the Philippines in a very long time. Why? We have not used the phrase, the words deep bench and UP in a long time. You can go back to the Jet Montero, Mela Lopez, Kathy Barcelon days, South Ramos. They had a bunch of talented players. Oh! That comes with the territory of being Jorel Singh.
Coach Sir Roger, you see him.
Alam mo, tatawa siya pero hindi niya linalabas
Oo,
yan.
eh.
Hindi niya linalabas yun si
Correct.
Jarel kasi alam niya matapang yan eh.
Oo, and then she'll just try till the end.
Still playable, but they were not able to serve it. A good serve. Wow, Coach Jerry Yee looking like a genius here in the third set by
True.
putting Ganaban in. Napapangiti si Coach.
And ang maganda pa doon pag iniisip mo, no? Because the veterans are the ones now waiting for their turn. Diba, in the bench. Ikaw, pag veterano ka, isip mo, wag ako ipasok nito, lagot to sa akin. Hindi mo na ako iupo uli. Diba? Pag ganun yung thinking mo eh.
And look at that, the blocking, Buitre, the silent operator, silent killer for UP here was in that mix, but it was actually Molde who got a hand on that block, and now this is a 2-point lead. Sullivan, humabol. Oh, and a free ball for UP. Miscommunication for NU. Buitre alone. Coverage for Molde. She gets it back. Little top spin there.
Still
Sullivan again.
playable. Oh, si Sullivan is really running around the court. Oh, buddy.
Touch.
Get a check. Exactly.
This is the biggest lead of the third set. 3 points. And it comes at the second technical timeout. The UP faithful in attendance. Very happy with what's going on here right now. The celebration. Tiamzon 11 points on 9 attacks. Molde 11 points on 10 attacks. Kaloy with 10 points on 8 attacks. And we're not even talking about Buitre and Ganaban
Tama.
contributing.
Wala pa si Barsola.
Sola, correct. But NU is hanging tougher here in set number 3. This is not a done deal yet for UP. Again, remember, they are a very young team.
And
They
in
have to watch out.
And in the first 2 sets, at this stage, parang nagpo-pull away na yung UP, di
Correct,
ba?
correct. Oh, yung mga
Pero
5,
right
6
now,
points
yeah,
lead na yun.
exactly. Oop.
And credit to Sullivan and her effort here. She is all over this floor. Azi Sullivan.
Pero alam mo sa US NCAA, they're trying to remove that pursuit rule already.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, kasi I think may mga nangyari na mga
Sasaktan?
injuries, yeah. So they're contemplating on removing that pursuit rule.
And Nabor had a hand on it, but could not control it. Biggest lead of the set, and I understand this timeout for Coach Roger Goreyev.
Mataas naman yung bola. Ba't kayo nalilito? Ba't kayo nagmamadali? Imbis na nakatayo kayo, mataas yung bola, nakatayo kayo, makukuha niyo ng maayos. Nilulungot, binababa niyo yung katawan niyo, tapos aabutin niyo. Magpapangabot ba yung bola at nakatayo? Lalo mag-umpisa ako, sinabi ko na sa'yo, pag lumampas yung bola sa'yo, wag mo nang dinudukot ng paisa-isang kamay. Ay, hindi kayo tumitigil eh. Hindi nyo maalis yung mga old habits ninyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, alisin na niyo yan. 4 lang yan lamang na yan. Yan, lalaki yan pag pinapabayaan ninyo. Sabayan nyo, pag tumalon, pag angat sa lupa, saka nyo blakin. Hindi yung hindi pa siya tumatalon na, una na kayong bumablak. Ay dadapis talaga yan. Tsagaan ninyo.
Well, Coach Roger calling this timeout dahil this 1-point, 2-point lead, which they were doing really well. Actually, sila pa nga
Tama.
namang. Bumuka na sa 4. At a crucial time.
Sayang naman.
Sayang yung fight. Valdez. Singh. Lai. Geyser. Nabor will set it up for Urdas. Geyser. Molde.
Oh, into the net. Sayang, walang blocker on the side of NU.
Coach Jerry Yee and his girls are looking for spot number 3. If UP wins this match, regardless of whether it's in this set or any other part, how are you going to choose the best player here? Diba?
Parang mahirap.
Mahirap. Without singling one
Right.
without giving credit to the others. We have to give credit to the whole team. And the coach, Urdas. Good coverage. Chance for UP. Lai to the rookie Molde, who puts it away.
And Molde, getting that to go. I mean, you wind up and she really wanted that point.
So the rookie serves.
Oh, nice serve.
Oh!
And that's the result of that serve. Yamson with the gift.
Over-received. At yun ang nangyari. They called their last time out.
Obvious naman, nakakaranta kayo. Tanda nating player, simpleng bola, i-misreceive pa na. So, Roslyn, sinabi ko na sa'yo, doon ka sa gitna, hanapin mo yung quicker. Doon ka bumablak sa kabilang dulo, hindi pa nga isineset doon yung bola, nandoon ka na. O, di ibinato dito sa kabila yung open. Sinabi ko, lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, respeto mo yung setter ng kabila. Wala kasi kayo respeto kaya tuloy nang huhula kayo Kitaan nyo, para alam mo kung saan. Tira naman kayo. Ilaban ninyo, aba.
You know what UP fans also should appreciate about this rookie who's serving right now on your screens? She's not only showing what a great attacker she is, she's one of our best servers.
Tama.
She's one of our best diggers.
An all-around player
Yes.
for Coach Jerry.
Yun
Totoo
yun eh.
yan.
Yun yun.
And she's, again, like Carlos, just starting her UAAP career.
She's 10th in serving, 10th in scoring, and then when you talk about digging, she's number 7. I know that doesn't look impressive to a lot of people, but you're talking about a rookie
Right.
who is getting a lot of attention and has a fan base, by the way, as soon as she stepped into college. These are the future superstars of the UAAP growing in front of our eyes as we have Rosalind Doria to try to stave off this UP assault in the third. Nice touch by Aiko Urdas.
That's right. Perfect spot for that dump ball.
Very winnable set still for them. 4 points down. Campfire in the middle of that UP defense. Good serve. Molde with a good first ball.
Oh, and Carlos once again
Carlos says,
getting it through.
I'm still here.
Yep. Present.
Present. Canaban back. Full front line for UP with Yamson, Canaban, and Kaloy. Nabor. Molde will set to Tiamson on the other side. Again, Sullivan is able to keep this play alive. Tiamson.
Oh,
Sing with a good dig. Scrambling was Isa. Tiamson sends it.
To
And
Sing once again.
Yes. Oh, the ball was there, but look at Lai. Tiamson will give a free ball to National U. Let's see whom Sullivan chooses. It is Pablo. Lai. And gigil.
nagmadali. Carlos throwing that away.
Long rally. Good effort for National University, Mosey.
That was, they played patiently in that sequence.
It's easy to already pack it in and mail it in at this point of the match, but they're not doing it. Sing again! Puts it away through the block, and Persona will come back as this lead is down to 3. Jaja Santiago will make a return for the first time in a very long time. This is obviously for blocking.
True, and they all obviously they also need their offense and her offense.
Tet Pablo.
Siguro, ito yung kumbaga kay Jaja Tess, she has to prove herself here
That
to
Pablo
Coach Roger.
sits down, gives a good account of herself, by the way. The check ball? No!
No, it's outside. Wide on that hit.
Should she have set that, Mosey, or mali lang talaga yung palo? Sinat ba niya dapat?
Hindi, dapat pinalo
Pinalo.
talaga niya.
Mali lang talaga.
Miss hit eh.
Miss hit talaga.
Narinig mo naman yung sound.
Dorog is back. Lai will sit down. That means Tiamzon will set for UP. They're 2 points away. Another chance and another chase by Sullivan. Free ball for NU. Bersola. Aiko gets an arm on it. Singh. A free ball. Rare for Singh to give up something like that. And another chance ball. Dorog. Great job by Valdez. Singh again. No
Oh,
coverage for UP.
There you go, Singh. Making it after several tries.
And that's why she has not been pulled out from set 1
Correct.
to set 3. Because she has been showing a lot of heart. Her and Azzy Sullivan, if they lose this match, we have to mention them now already,
Also,
Mosey.
Nabor.
And Nabor,
Oh,
you're right.
Jasmine Nabor.
Good serve by Nabor.
Oh,
but
but
that is why Coach Jerry put her back.
right, but a better attack right there from Bersola.
And that gives them set point. The veteran delivering, while the other veteran serving.
Oh,
And that's it. UP takes number 3 at the end of the first round of the eliminations in UAP Season 78 Women's Volleyball Tournament.
just so amazing. You know, we knew that they were a strong team because of their powerhouse rookies, but we never thought that they will play this well going, and it's just the first round, moving toward the end of the first round, so we cannot wait to see them play the second round. Siyempre, ano yan, parang kumbaga tumataas yung level of play pagdating ng second round, so we will try to see how they will fare that, but dun sa kabila naman, si NU, still with that parang disgruntled look, that we hope that they met out things, di ba? That they resolve whatever it is.
Positive thing was, you know, you have Nabor, Sullivan, and Singh really fighting for National U. We'll take a break. We'll be back to wrap this baby up. (25-19), 25-21, 25-20. Yan po ang ating talaan. Makatapos ang tatlong set at UP nanaig over National University, and Mosey Ravenna had the unenviable task of choosing a best player
ayaw
for
mo
today.
sumagot eh.
Bahala ka daw. Bahala ka mamili, pero kahit sino piliin mo, Mosey,
Oo, tama.
medyo
tama.
walang aangal sa'yo. At Nina Alvia is with the rookie, Isa Molde.
So, Isa, how do you think you were able to contribute to today's win?
Yung pagiging happy po namin sa team, ay sa court, tsaka yung pagiging pwede namin.
Anong pakiramdam mo na nanalo kayo sa huling laban sa first round?
Masaya po, parang nagka kami ng confident na lumaban sa second round.
So, congratulations, Isa. Back to you.
Hingal na hingal pa yan.
Oo.
Dug si Isa Molde. Oy, sige, pabatiin mo, Nins.
May gusto ka bang batiin ngayon?
Hi sa parents ko, kay Ate Gaira, at saka sa mga taga-Kasusi.
Back to you.
Salamat, Ninya. Yun nga, sinasabi natin, tuwan-tuwa yung mga taga Cebu. At tuwan-tuwa ang mga fans ng UP dahil ang daming pwedeng maging best player
Yes,
today.
yes. Tiamson also had 13 points at naging, ano ba yan setter, spiker
Yeah,
within
tama.
the game. And si Carlos had 12, Buitre had 9, Bersola had 6, and Ganapan also had 4.
Off the pitch, ano? Lai. Jewel Lai.
Siya yan.
Yes.
Yung pag in-equate mo yan, well, gets to show how
Yes.
good your setter.
Your setter is. And I'll tell you this, one thing I can say, that's not the last time that girl's going to be interviewed as a best player in her career. One of many, for sure, Isa Molde. And the good news is, it's only the first game. Oh, hang on for the second game, because DLSU Lady Spikers and UST Golden Tigresses will go at it. UST, very happy, very solid right now. They want to keep it going. DLSU wants to stay with Ateneo at the #1 spot to end our first round. It is must-watch volleyball, Mosey, always here sa atin.
That's right, partner.
UST and Lasal, interesting yan.
Ay, nako talaga naman. At first round pa lang, partner.
Oo
Hindi
nga.
ba na first makakalimutan natin?
Oh, it will officially end our first round. And you should stay tuned here on ABS-CBN Sports in Action for that one. For Mosey Ravena, Ira Pablo, Nina Alvia, Derek Abet Ramos, and everybody inside the truck for ABS-CBN Sports. Game number 2 and match number 28 is coming up on ABS-CBN Sports in Action, SD and HD.